Hi guys, I'm going to show you my formative adding assessment that I have made for elementary addition. So up here there are three tabs. We have edit, assign, and view responses. So on the edit tab, you can see this is where I have assigned all my questions for my students. I am able to write the correct answers that I'm wanting on here. I'm able to correct the right one right here. You can also make different types of questions. So we have multiple choice. You can do a true or false one, multiple selection, so there's more than one correct answer. You can do a show your work type question. Here I'm going to erase this. I did not mean to do that. And then you can also upload a PDF or a Word document for your students. If you are wanting them to do a certain PDF or Word document, you can assign a question for each of the different questions. And then there are also different types of questions you can use that I didn't use on here, like a short answer question where they're able to type out their answer. And then you can also add a video that is just further explanation of what we are assessing them on. This video here is to just help with double-digit addition and regrouping, and that is just a reference for the students to watch before they take the assessment. For the assign page, this is where you are able to assign the assessment to your students or individual students. You can also make it for guest students, so you would give them this link here, and then you would give them the guest code where they would then just enter the guest code, enter their first and last name, and they are able to take the assessment. Here you can view responses, so this is where you can see each student's response, and then right here is the question for each question. And then up here you can see that I have 10 questions for the entire assessment, and then the green marks mean that you got 100% or you got the total amount of points offered for that question, and then red unfortunately means that you did not get it right and that you got a 0 for that question. But if you did get a 0, I am able to give you feedback on why you got the 0 and what you can do next time to improve. So the question was, after viewing the video, how do we count blocks? Jasmine said we don't, and that is not the correct answer. The correct answer is to count tens first, and then the ones. It is always easier to start with higher numbers first, then add the littler ones after. So I was able to tell her why she got a 0 on this and what she can do next time to improve. And to show you guys how I'm able to do that, you would just slide this bar here. So that is if she got 100%. And since she got a 0, I have to give her in the red. And then all the other ones got this one correct. And then right here, you can also see that 5 out of 8 students got this correct, giving me 63% of the class. So that's not terrible, but it could be better. Number 2, it looks like everyone got this one correct, which is awesome. We have 8 out of 8, which is 100%. The question was a true or false question. So 10 plus 12 equals 22, and the answer was true. So everyone got that correct. That's awesome. Number 3, what addition problems can we use to make 30? So this was a multiple selection question, so there were more than one correct answer, and it looks like everyone got this one correct except Brian. I was able to tell him what he did wrong. I said, you got the second answer correct, but the first one is wrong, so I gave you partial credit. 15 plus 10 equals 25. The other correct answer was 15 plus 15 equals 30. So this one is correct. It does equal 30, but this one unfortunately only equals 25. So I gave him partial credit because he did get one right. Number 4, looks like this was not a good result. Only 44% of the class got this one correct. It may have been the wording, I'm not sure, or the first show your work question. So the question was, add the blocks together and show your work to make the math problem. Allie, I love how she counted by tens and showed her work. She said 50 plus 50 equals 100, which is correct. And then Briley, here's a yellow, so that means that they only got partial credit. And see, it looks like she put the right setup, but she did not give me the answer, which the answer is what I'm looking for. So I told her that is why she got partial credit. And then Jasmine, she did not get this one correct because she said 10, and I was able to tell her why. I said the correct answer is 100. You just counted how many rows of blocks there are. In order to get the correct answer, you have to count how many blocks are in each row. The blocks are in tens, so the easiest way to complete this question would be to count by tens. She just counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 instead of counting every single little block. So I was able to tell her why she got that one wrong and how she can improve next time. Number 5, it looks like we all got that one correct. That is awesome. I love how some people are actually setting up the equation instead of just putting the answer, but I did not specify on that, so the answer is still okay. Andrew, I love how you are showing visual aid. Visual aid is always a helpful tool in math. Number 6, it looks like we all got that one correct again. Great. Number 7, everyone got it correct again. And number 8, we all got that one correct as well. That is awesome. So that goes to show me that we are excelling in single-digit addition. So that is great feedback for me. Number 9, 63% got this one correct. So this was a multiple choice question again. Let's see, Briley. I said if the math problem was 15 plus 18, would we carry the 1 over the first column or the second column? Briley's answer was the second column, which is incorrect, and I was able to tell her that the correct answer is the first column. When we do addition problems, we always start on the right side. Since 5 plus 8 equals 13, we would write the 3 below the 8 and carry the 1 over the first column, adding an additional 1 to 1 plus 1, making the answer 33. I recommend watching the video again to help further explanation. So this goes to show me that some people were having difficulty with this question. I'm not sure if it was the wording of the question or what, but I think I'm going to go over this one again in class so we have all of our questions answered on this one and we are able to get that correct next time. On number 10, this was a true-false question. The correct answer was false. It looks like only one person got this one incorrect, and it was Brian. He accidentally said true. I was able to tell him why. I said the correct answer is false. You may have missed a number when adding. Since you are one number off, the addition problem equals 41, not 42. So there was a little mistake in there, but nothing we can't fix. So, and then also right here, this will show me the total, everyone's total. So it looks like Andrew got 100%, Katie got a 90%, Destiny got 90, Briley got an 85, and it will also show you what questions they got wrong. So right here, Katie got number 1 wrong, Briley got partial credit on number 4, and so on. And then up here, it will show you the correct total for each question. So it shows me that number 4, only 44% got this one correct. So that was the lowest percent for the questions. So that looks like that is something I will need to go over in class. So there are no more lingering questions about that one. But 5 through 8, everyone got that one correct. So that is awesome. And that is great feedback for me to know that the students know how to solve those problems. So I hope you enjoyed this little lesson over my formative assessment and have a great day.